I love the Vortech supercharger on this 2018 Mustang GT. The power and sound is addicting, but I always struggled to get smooth, linear torque delivery transitioning in and out of boost. You can see in this data log how the throttle body angle, which is the white trace, marches to wide open throttle once the throttle pedal, which is the red trace, exceeds 60 to 70%. This may be fine on a naturally aspirated car, but when boosted, the throttle body angle exceeding the pedal closes the bypass valve and the Vortech starts cramming boost into the engine. After years and literally hundreds of calibration experiments, I gave up trying to tame the throttle body and instead I found a different solution. Since the Vortech bypass valve relies on manifold vacuum to operate, the nonlinear throttle body action also in turn makes the bypass valve into an on-off switch for boost. Not what I want for a smooth driving car. I thought, I wonder if there's a way to use a throttle body that references the throttle pedal rather than a valve that references manifold pressure. My answer was a Google search away. SmoothBoost makes supercharger bypass systems that reference the throttle pedal to make boost delivery more linear and predictable. I got their kit for centrifugal superchargers that includes a throttle body and a weld-on adapter. No way am I welding aluminum. I'm not good enough for that. So I had Coffee Fabrication in Nashville weld the adapter to the Vortech blower discharge tube. I tapped into the throttle pedal signal for the SmoothBoost controller by the throttle pedal itself. Here you can see how the throttle body closes in reference to the pedal position to control boost in a more predictable fashion relative to the throttle pedal position. It still closed at about 70% throttle. I wanted it to close closer to 100% throttle, so I installed a 500K potentiometer between the throttle pedal and the controller so that the SmoothBoost throttle body closes closer to 100% throttle. Now this Vortech supercharged 2018 Mustang drives much better with linear boost delivery.